page 10, second paragraph from the top. Next, we'll introduce another concept called the Gaussian process. Gaussian process just means that your underlying distribution is normal. This is named after the mathematician Gauss, who introduced the normal distribution concept. In time series, we usually don't refer to this as the normal process, but it is the normal process. But the term Gaussian process is more commonly used in time series analysis. And on page 10, we note that strictly stationary and weakly stationary are equivalent for a Gaussian process. Do you remember what weakly stationary is? Weakly stationary just means that the mean is independent of time, and the covariance is independent of time as well. That's weakly stationary. And in terms of a Gaussian process, strictly stationary and weakly stationary are the same plot. Strictly stationary and weakly stationary are equivalent for a normal process, a Gaussian process, because a Gaussian process only depends on its first two moments. If you know the first two moments, you know the whole Gaussian distribution. That's why in a normal distribution, you only need to know mu and variance, right? So, for a Gaussian process, strictly stationary and weakly stationary are equivalent.